Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and launch your freelance career on one of the world's most prestigious platforms? Let's get you started with Toptal, the high-end freelance talent network. Our first crucial step is the all-important application. Navigating this process can be tricky, but with some preparation, you can dramatically increase your chances of approval. Step 1. Head over to the Toptal website and begin by creating your account. You'll immediately be prompted with an online skills assessment that'll put your abilities to the test. Then it's time for the application form. Be meticulous. The key here is to be as thorough as possible. Start with a strong profile that showcases your expertise, skills, and experience. Think of it as your freelance resume. This is your chance to impress. Next, highlight the specific skills relevant to the type of work you're aiming for, and showcase past projects and experience in those areas. Proofread every word. Errors are a red flag. Honesty is always the best policy. Of course, include links and examples to demonstrate your capabilities. The Toptal application process is competitive. Be patient, and remember that a strong application takes time and effort. Following approval, get ready to secure your first client and unlock your freelance career. Good luck and make the most of your #Toptal approval.